Welcome to our roundup of the best window blinds, your complete guide to improving privacy, light control, and style in your home. Window blinds are one of the easiest ways to transform the look and feel of a room while also giving you control over sunlight, glare, and privacy. Whether you want to darken a bedroom for better sleep, reduce sunlight in a living room, or add a modern decorative touch to your windows, the right set of blinds can make a big difference. Today's window blinds come in many designs and technologies, including cordless mechanisms, blackout materials, zebra-style dual layers, and cellular insulation shades. These innovations make blinds safer for homes with children and pets, while also improving energy efficiency and ease of installation. Many modern blinds are designed to be simple to install, even without tools, which makes upgrading your windows easier than ever. In this guide, we'll explore 5 excellent window blind options that combine functionality, durability, and stylish design. We'll look at factors such as light filtering, blackout capability, installation method, design flexibility, and overall convenience, so you can choose the best option for your space. Be sure to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals on all the blinds featured in today's video. Now let's get started and discover the best window blinds for your home. Starting off our list is the Occam Cordless Light Filtering Mini Blind, a simple and affordable option that offers dependable light control and privacy. These blinds feature a cordless design, which eliminates dangling cords and makes them safer for homes with children and pets. Instead of cords, you simply lift or lower the bottom rail to adjust the height of the blinds. The blinds are made from durable PVC material that resists warping, fading, and sagging over time, making them suitable for long-term use in various rooms around the house. The slats measure about 1 inch in size, allowing you to adjust the tilt wand to control how much sunlight enters the room while still maintaining privacy. Another advantage of these mini blinds is their versatility. They come in multiple colors and sizes, allowing homeowners to choose a version that matches their decor and window dimensions. Installation is also straightforward because the package includes mounting hardware and instructions. If you're looking for a budget-friendly blind that provides reliable everyday performance, the Occam Cordless Light Filtering Mini Blind is a practical and accessible choice. Next on our list is the LazBlinds No Tool No Drill Blackout Cordless Cellular Shades, which are designed for maximum convenience and privacy. As the name suggests, these shades can be installed without drilling or using tools, making them perfect for renters or anyone who wants a quick and easy window upgrade. These blinds feature a cellular or honeycomb design that helps trap air within the shade structure. This design not only blocks light, but also improves insulation by helping regulate indoor temperatures. As a result, they can help reduce heat in the summer and retain warmth during colder months. The blackout fabric provides excellent light blocking, making these shades a great option for bedrooms, nurseries, and home theaters where minimal light is preferred. The cordless design also makes them safer and easier to operate, allowing you to simply push or pull the shade to adjust its height. Another reason many homeowners choose LazBlinds is the clean, minimal look they bring to modern interiors. The cellular texture adds a subtle style element while maintaining a sleek appearance that blends easily with different decor styles. For anyone looking for easy installation and effective light blocking, the LazBlinds No Tool No Drill Blackout Cordless Cellular Shades are an excellent choice. Moving on, the AOSKY Cordless Roller Shades Blackout Blinds offer a stylish and modern solution for controlling sunlight. Roller shades are known for their sleek, minimalist appearance, and this model takes that simplicity to the next level with a cordless design and blackout material. These blinds are ideal for rooms where light control is essential. The blackout fabric helps block sunlight, which can improve sleep quality and reduce glare on televisions or computer screens. Many people also use roller shades in home offices or media rooms where controlling brightness is important. The cordless mechanism allows you to smoothly raise or lower the shade by simply pulling the bottom bar, which makes operation easy and safe. Because the design is simple and compact, these roller shades also work well in smaller spaces where bulky window coverings might feel overwhelming. Another advantage of the AOSKY roller shades is their clean aesthetic. The smooth fabric surface and streamlined design give windows a modern and uncluttered look. If you want blackout functionality with a contemporary style, the AOSKY Cordless Roller Shades Blackout Blinds are a great option to consider. Next up are the Joydeco Cordless Zebra Blinds, which offer a unique combination of style and functionality. Zebra blinds feature alternating stripes of sheer and solid fabric, allowing you to adjust the blinds to control how much light enters the room. By aligning the stripes in different ways, you can choose between filtered light, partial shading, or more complete privacy. This flexible design makes zebra blinds particularly popular for living rooms, offices, and dining areas where lighting needs may change throughout the day. The cordless design enhances safety and convenience while also giving the blinds a clean appearance without hanging cords. Many homeowners appreciate the elegant layered fabric look, which adds a decorative element to the window rather than just serving a functional purpose. In addition to their stylish appearance, zebra blinds also provide moderate light filtering while maintaining privacy. For those who want a balance between decorative style and adjustable lighting, the Joydeco cordless zebra blinds are a standout option. Finally, topping our list is the Persillix custom-size cordless zebra blinds, a premium choice designed for homeowners who want a tailored look and high-quality materials. One of the biggest advantages of Persillix blinds is that they can be customized to fit specific window dimensions, ensuring a precise and professional appearance. Like other zebra blinds, they feature dual-layer fabric stripes that allow you to easily adjust light and privacy levels. This design gives you the flexibility to create soft filtered lighting during the day or increased privacy when needed. The cordless system keeps the blinds easy to operate while maintaining a modern, uncluttered appearance. In addition to functionality, these blinds are known for their high-quality fabrics and sturdy construction, making them a long-lasting addition to your home. Many homeowners choose Persillix blinds for spaces where appearance matters just as much as performance, such as living rooms, bedrooms, and home offices. If you're looking for a more refined window treatment with customization options, the Persillix custom-size cordless zebra blinds stand out as a top pick. And that wraps up our review of the best window blinds available today. From the affordable and reliable Occam cordless light filtering mini blind, the easy-to-install Las Blinds no-tool, no-drill blackout cellular shades, the sleek AOSKY cordless roller shades blackout blinds, the stylish Joydeco cordless zebra blinds, to our top recommendation, the Persillix custom-size cordless zebra blinds. There's a perfect window covering here for every room and design preference. Whether you're upgrading your home decor, improving privacy, or controlling sunlight, these blinds offer excellent performance and convenience. Which one would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest home improvement reviews. And be sure to check the description box for current prices and deals on all the blinds featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.